Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the canvas and preparing a rough sketch layer so you can move fast. Tap Plus, pick a resolution like 2048 x 2048 or a 16:9 ratio depending on output. Once done, add a new layer, lower opacity to about 30% and enable the stabilizer at 1/2 to smooth lines while retaining expressiveness. This allows cleaner inking later. Make sure your brush and size feel comfortable before moving on so you won't rework proportions later. Now you refine the sketch into polished line art and block in color. Trace on a new layer with G pen or dip pen, adjusting size between 2 and 8px for line weight variety, and tidy edges with the eraser. Once inked, create a layer beneath, use fill bucket with boundary detection to block flat colors, and lock transparency to shade using multiply or overlay. This workflow keeps line work editable while colors stay inside shapes, making adjustments faster and non-destructive. Finish by adding lighting, texture, and export settings so your work looks complete. Create a screen or add layer for highlights, use a soft brush at 20-40% opacity and subtle blur for polish. When satisfied, merge visible layers, but first save a layered PNG as a backup. If you run into fill leaks, close small gaps with a quick pen stroke or use the expand/contract options on the selection. This fixes boundary detection and prevents color bleed during export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.